In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Binance's passkey. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the Binance app. Then from here, we need to make sure to log in. And then on the top left-hand corner, click onto your profile and then click onto your profile name. From here, we'll be inside Account Center. Click into Security. And now this is where your security is up. And then below that will say Passkeys Biometrics. So click into this. And now in order to reset it, you need to delete the current biometric authentication passkey. So go ahead and remove that passkey. So click on continue, but make sure to read this. So withdrawals and P2P transactions might be disabled for 24 hours after removing your passkey to ensure the safety of your assets. So yeah, just keep that in mind, then click continue. And now from here, if you got an authenticator app, you need to punch that in here. So go to your authenticator and get that 6 or 8 digit code and then paste that code in like so and click submit. And then from here, we just simply need to add a new passkey. So click on add passkey and then we got to choose our authenticator passkey security key. I'm going to do a passkey. And now I'm going to create a passkey to sign into Binance on my device like this. So I'm going to click on create. And it will say processing. Just give that a few moments. Then it will say use your fingerprint to verify your identity. Then after that, it will come back to here under security and passkeys. I have re-added it back in using my Google Password Manager.